Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that's known for its simplicity and readability. Think of it as a language that speaks almost like plain English, making it incredibly friendly for beginners and powerful for experts. The story of Python begins in the late 1980s when Guido van Rossum started working on the language as a hobby project. Released in 1991, Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python, showing the language's playful origins. What started as a small project quickly grew into one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. Python's popularity stems from its incredible versatility. Whether you're into web development, data science, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, or automation, Python has got you covered. Its clean syntax, extensive libraries, and community support make it a go-to language for beginners and professionals alike. Let's break down where Python really shines. In web development, frameworks like Django and Flask help create powerful websites. Data scientists use Python for complex data analysis with libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Machine learning experts rely on TensorFlow and PyTorch for cutting-edge AI projects. Even fields like finance, healthcare, and space exploration use Python for complex calculations and research. At its core, Python is an interpreted language. This means instead of compiling code into machine language beforehand, it translates and runs the code line by line in real time. When you write a Python script, the Python interpreter reads each line, understands what you want to do, and immediately executes it. Here's how to set up your Python environment. First, download Python from the official website python.org. Choose the latest version and make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. Next, install Visual Studio Code, a fantastic code editor. Install the Python extension in VS Code, and you're ready to go. Creating a Python file is super simple. In VS Code, go to File greater than New File and save it with a .py extension. This is where your Python journey begins. Variables in Python are like containers that hold data. You can create a variable simply by naming it and assigning a value. Python has several basic types: integers for whole numbers, floats for decimal numbers, strings for text, and Boolean for true or false values. You'll also work with more complex types like lists, tuples, and dictionaries. One unique feature of Python is indentation. Unlike other languages that use brackets, Python uses spaces or tabs to define code blocks. If statements are how you make decisions in your code, they allow your program to do different things based on certain conditions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. You define a function using the def keyword. Here's a simple function. Anonymous functions, or lambda functions, are one-line functions without a name, perfect for quick, simple operations. OOP in Python allows you to create classes, blueprints for objects. It helps organize code by grouping related data and functions together. Top 5 Python libraries. 1. NumPy for numerical computing. 2. Pandas, data manipulation and analysis. 3. TensorFlow, machine learning and AI. 4. Django, web development. 5. Matplotlib, data visualization. PIP is Python's package installer. It lets you easily download and install additional libraries. Just type pip install library name in your command prompt, and you're ready to go. Python is more than just a programming language. It's a gateway to solving real-world problems. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, Python offers something for everyone. Start your journey today, and who knows what amazing things you'll create.